Hello everybody, I have an unboxing here. I think this is a repair that came in because I'm starting to do these Tormach boards as mail-in repairs. I think that's what this is. I don't remember. I get so many people saying they're gonna mail stuff in and never do. So it could be another transmission controller too. Got a note. We talked last week about getting a new board. Oh, okay. I think this is a Tormach board for exchange. Yes. So this one is supposed to have an issue. I'll have to remember what his issue was. But I have a couple of these that I can use for exchange. Usual common failure points on these is the micro. Goes dead. Q2. Gone. And the regulator there. That's the regulator. I don't remember. Or regulator. So then another failure point on these is there's a trace that goes underneath that connector. And that trace breaks. So I will go through this and check it out. But this is a drawbar controller. Tormach lists the schematics, and I have given them the firmware. I don't know if they've uploaded it yet, but I did the firmware extraction or backup a while back, because I don't think this is one of them that they had the firmware for that they lost. But we have the firmware. So I've replaced a few of the microcontrollers because they went dead. What causes the microcontrollers to go dead is generally a power supply issue. So, but we will catch y'all later.